An effort by one community group looking to get rid of the School District 2 mask mandate has failed for now. The group asked for a temporary restraining order, but that was not granted in a ruling yesterday by Judge Jessica Fear. However, a preliminary injunction hearing for January 28th has been set up, and Fear has allowed the group to collect anonymous affidavits from School District 2 employees. Superintendent Greg Upham, as of Tuesday, said the plan remains to lift the mask mandate on January 17th, no matter the ruling, but that could change as well. Today, Casey Conlon spoke to one of the plaintiffs as we examine the effectiveness of masks in schools.
In the middle of a complicated and contentious situation, the community group's message is simple. COVID case data in Yellowstone County schools does not support a mask mandate.
We're not drawing hard conclusions from that data. All we're saying is that the data shows that there doesn't seem to be a statistical difference.
Luke Hudson started comparing masked and non-masked schools at the beginning of the semester with DPHHS and Montana OPI enrollment data. Here's a snapshot of local high schools. Billings Central, which had a mask mandate for the first semester, saw just 5 total cases for a 1.5% transmission rate. Laurel, which does not require masks, saw 20 total cases, but with almost double the enrollment, so its percentage was still low at 3.16. Lockwood, though, which also has no mandate, saw 31 positives for a nearly 8% mark. The county's largest schools, West Senior and Skyview, which all fall under the SD2 mandate, have between 3.6 and 4.9% transmission rates. When you look at the total numbers, in mass schools, the first semester saw 787 positive cases in 18,000 students, for a rate of 4.3%, while non-mass schools had 254 cases in 7,400 students for a 3.4% rate.
It's a very difficult thing to study because there's so much going on in these schools.
Justin Baker is an epidemiologist with Riverstone Health. He says proper mask wearing is without a doubt a deterrent for COVID-19 infection. But the key word is proper.
If you were to go to that school and look around in between periods at the students, even if they have a masking policy, you might still and probably will see students that have them down below their nose or on their chin.
If you've been in a school, proper mask use is not a thing. It doesn't exist. That's why we're saying mandates don't make sense. When properly used, they work, but we don't see proper usage in people because the biggest variable we have in society is people.
Hudson says he is not anti-mask, just anti-mandate. He believes the matter should be a personal choice since everybody has their own situation.
My kids have difficulty with communication. They have difficulty understanding, being heard, and that makes it hard in a classroom. And so we felt that early on that we believe parents should have the right to decide for themselves.
Billings Catholic schools ended their mandate Monday. New DPHHS case numbers are due out January 12th. We'll see what they say and if they affect SD2's mask plans going forward. Casey Conlon, MTN News.